Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, any which part of the world you know there. My Saturday morning start off with me coming round at the backyard to go sweep up them leaf here. Me have one troublemaker tree here, you know, in my backyard. What I sitting can shed leaf so. And then sitting here drop off it. I don't even know what this is called. Anyone wanna know what it called? My people in Canada. But you know, as me round here, you know, and me a sweep up, you know. It take me down a memory lane, you know. You remember back in the day that one tree what used to be in our yard, we drop leaf like I know tomorrow. Me remember for my granny used to say, Andra, run over bush, go cut little bramble and sweep up the yard. And me had a sweep till thy kingdom come. And every day the tree them just a shed the leaf them. And me have to sweep up. Lord, there's some things that foreign way make you remember, you know, back in the whole day, you know. Yes, man. See me little bramble used to look sitting like this, me cutting, and me sweep, Why, me I tell you, memories don't leave like people do. They always stay with you. But me I go tap chat to now because enough leaf me have to go sweep up. And by the way, if any of you live close by, wanna come give me a hand. Yes, come give me a hand and help Mama Selva. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening and night, any which part of Master God world you know there.